back to my channel. My name is MsTanMarie, and today I did this nice little simple look. If you want to see how I created this look, then continue to watch. First, we're going to start off using a primer potion by Urban Decay, and we're just going to blend that down. We're going to use the Nana Cocoa white pencil so the colors can pop just a little bit more. I like to apply tape to the ends of the edges of my eyes so I can get a crisp, sharp tape look, defined look. And we're going to use the Watch Me Blush palette. The first color that I'm using is called Cobbler, and it is a light brown. And I'm using a Coastal Scents blending brush. The next color I would use is MAC Brown Script, and I'm going to use the same blending brush, the fluffy blending brush, as a transition color. Now I'm going to use a crease brush, and I'm going to go in with that same palette, and I'm going to go in with the dark brown in that palette. I forgot the name. I think it's Sweet as Cocoa, or it's Cocoa Bear. We're going to use the Juvia's Place, the black color out the Juvia's Place, and we're going to carve out our V with that same crease brush. And we're going to use the same, we're going to use Cobbler to blend those colors together. We're going to go in the color with Sweet Tea on the lid. I'm going to take the Lorac Pro palette, and I'm going to use the color Rose Gold on top of that to add an extra shimmer. It's going to help that color pop just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go into with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic palette. I'm going to use that green color right there. And I'm going to apply that as the eyeliner to make the eyes pop. I'm going to go back in the color with Sweet Tea and apply it under my lower lash line. this is the completed look. You can follow me on my social networks, MsTanMarie at Instagram as well as Facebook. And you can follow me on Pinterest as well. Thank you for watching and you have a great day.